स्वागत है आप सबका फिर से। आप देख रहे हैं कम्युनिटी रानअप और मैं हूं विकास नांगिया। दोस्तों, बॉलीवुड फिल्म्स, फैशन, म्यूजिक आज बुलंदियों पर है। जगह जगह बॉलीवुड डांस, म्यूजिक स्कूल और बुटीक्स देखने को मिलते हैं। यहां तक कि आजकल बॉलीवुड कैफे, बॉलीवुड चाट, बॉलीवुड ब्यूटी पार्लर्स और न जाने क्या क्या बॉलीवुड के नाम पर होने लगा है। दरअसल ये बॉलीवुड की दीवानगी ही है जो परवानों और मस्तानों को अपनी ओर आकर्षित करती है। और जानते हैं, बॉलीवुड का ये जादू आजकल अमेरिका में 7वें आसमान पर है, क्योंकि सभी को इंतजार है आईफा 2014 का। पिछले दिनों एक्ट्रेस विद्या बालन आईफा की प्रमोशन के लिए 3 सिटी टूर पर आई हुई थी और उनमें से एक सिटी थी ऑरलैंडो, फ्लोरिडा।
We're at the Renaissance Airport Hotel in Orlando for the IFA press conference. There's lots of hangama here, lots of excitement. We're excited. Orlando is booming with that IFA feel. And imagine what it would be in Tampa. Not only Florida, the entire United States is very excited about the 15th IFA this year.
जी हाँ, 15th आईफा का संपूर्ण नॉर्थ अमेरिका में बोलबाला है। विस्क्राफ्ट इंटरनेशनल की पेशकश आईफा भारत से बाहर बॉलीवुड को एक जश्न की तरह प्रस्तुत करता है। सालों इंतजार के बाद आईफा सेलिब्रेशंस 24, 25 और 26 अप्रैल को टेम्पा बे, फ्लोरिडा में आयोजित किए जाएंगे। आईफा को टेम्पा बे में आयोजित करना किसी चुनौती से कम नहीं और इसे मुमकिन करने में डॉक्टर किरण और पल्लवी पटेल की अहम भूमिका है।
The whole event occurred by coincidence. I had never thought an event of this magnitude can come to United States. But we made an effort, thought big, dreamt big, and pushed hard and convinced IFA to come to United States. It took a lot of people from the community, the city, the county, and the state, all working together to convince IFA that Tampa is the place and they should be in United States for their 15th anniversary.
The Indian cinema is also an extension of India's soft power. Already people know about culture, cuisine, now they must know about cinema, which they already know a lot. But IFA is a greater extension of that, and the Indian Americans are very much involved in that.
अमेरिका में आईफा के प्रचार, उसे सफल बनाने के लिए कई संस्थाएं और कुछ लोग व्यक्तिगत स्तर पर आयोजकों की मदद कर रहे हैं और उनमें से एक हैं आहोवा के पास चेयरमैन MP रामा।
It is very exciting that IFA always are going to be so close to home. We have always watched this event on television and thought that it will be held in Tampa was never in my imagination. I am sure the same is the case for many of you.
विस्क्राफ्ट इंटरनेशनल के साथ 3 सिटी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस टूर पर आई विद्या बालन ने कहा कि टेम्पा बे में आयोजित आईफा अब तक का सबसे बड़ा और लाजवाब आईफा वीकेंड होगा।
As part of the IFA team, I'm here to personally invite all of you to IFA 2014 happening in Tampa Bay between the 23rd and 26th of April. It's been an overwhelming welcome and response, and I've been to the United States before and I've met lots of Hindi movie fans and people who appreciated my work, and it's always very heartening and heartwarming. But I think this kind of anticipation and eagerness for IFA, to be experiencing it firsthand, it's been wonderful. I'm going to take back the message to the rest of my fraternity, to as many people as I can share it with, to tell them that, this kind of love is unprecedented, and we're all going to have a great time. We have to put up the best show ever this year.
Little girls are anticipating, I'm going to grow up to be Vidya Balan. When you are doing your roles, when you are shooting for your movies, does that ever cross your mind that I'm making an impact on people,
No, but it is very humbling to know that your work has an impact on people's lives, that your work touches people's lives. I've had many people tell me about various performances. The easiest example I can think of is picture. Women come up to me all the time and say, after the Dirty picture, we began to feel that, we began to love our curves. And we think whatever the body size, it's about how you feel about yourself. And that wasn't something I had anticipated or I had planned, but it turned out like that. I remember after Pa, someone had walked up to me and said, the sensitivity and the normalcy with which you had dealt with, a child suffering from progeria was really so true that it was uplifting. So I think different things with different films, but you never plan it, but when it happens, that's the real reward.
आईफा वीकेंड में फैशन, म्यूजिक, डांसेस सभी कुछ शामिल किया गया है और ये सब कुछ एक ही जगह नहीं बल्कि एयरपोर्ट से लेकर
IFA event that's across the Tampa Bay region. We've even got a public event where the community is coming out to welcome the IFA stars called IFA Storm. So that's on the first day, 23rd. If you look at the 24th, it is the day of IFA Rocks, fashion and music. And the big thing that night is also Rahat Fateh Ali Khan is performing. And for the first time on the IFA stage. That day you have a business forum. Next day on 25th you've got a business forum that continues. And in the evening you've got the IFA Magic of the Movies. Everyone knows about the IFA Awards. Because one night of the IFAs was not enough. We now have 2 nights of the IFAs. So it's one more IFA award presentation where we honor the technicians. IFA Magic of the Movies, it's a new project and it's a new event. It's hosted by Saif Ali Khan and Veer Das. Performers are Kareena Kapoor, Bipasha Basu, Sonakshi Sinha, Preetam, Farhan Akhtar, Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, Shruti Hassan, Aditi Rao Hydari, and there are multiple other singers that are added in. So you get that star power, that sense. On stage will be Priyanka Chopra, will be Deepika Padukone, Saif Ali Khan, Farhan Akhtar, Shahid Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, Madhuri Dixit. All of them are going to be on stage presenting honors, accepting, doing speeches, presentations. So it is a night that I don't think Tampa or America will forget. It'll be something that they'll remember as a memory of a lifetime. And then of course the next day is the IFA Awards. So the IFA Awards are at the Raymond James Stadium. It's being anchored by Shahid Kapoor and Farhan Akhtar.